heat controls, 23, Nissan. Somewhere it says what this car is. And everything overlaps. Let's finish getting this guy out. Got the glove box out. Check. That's closed. That is open. And this is first. That's easy. This is next. Gotta get this. Gotta get this thing. Put it right between the crack and pop this guy off. See what I mean? Pop them off. There you go. Also easy. Now we got 1. 2 is hidden over there. 3 is right there. 4. And then when you pop this guy out, you gotta pull it over the hook. Here's the hook. It's not that easy with one arm. So you gotta grab this side, hold this side, and do the same thing on this side. Up and over. You see how it's coming out? You see? Gotta use both hands. So let's get that out of the way. She doesn't come off. Leave them. Another screw right there. And another screw right there. Did I miss any? Yep, another one right there. Where are you? Where are you? There you are. And then she just sort of pulls up out of the way. There you go. That's how you remove the glove box. Because Nissan has a suckle meter. I've invented that. You got to take this off. And it's not as easy as it looks, because it does sound like it's going to break. And you got to start on that side, and let me show you. Now, I tried. I couldn't do it. Maybe you could. I grabbed and I pulled. It wasn't releasing. So I had to put this puppy right here in the corner, where if God forbid you slip, slide it up under here, pop this guy out of the way. And these are clip, 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 clip. All right. Now, what you're caught on, who the hell knows? Because you still gotta go on the other side and catch a. Oh, of course. What did I tell you about the suckle meter? Watch this. All right. So there's a little guy right here. So I'm betting it came out for me the first time around. This time around gave me a problem. So this whole panel pops off with clips. But if you want to start over there and make matters easier, fine, because you got to take that off anyway. Let me go show you. Steering wheel down as far out as possible. Pull. Now, there's a hidden screw right there on the end of my drill. Right there. See that? See that? So, again, wonderful handy dandy tool. This guy. Over in between the dash. And this puppy will pop out. The top will come out. Bottom, you got a weasel. Because it does underlay this one. Now, if you're not going to take the bottom off, don't. You don't have to. Alright, you can do it. I just did it. Pull this guy back with, again, right back here. And push this guy back. Not down. Back and pull this guy out. Do you have to? Probably not. If you just want to get that one screw, that's all you really need. And then this whole panel pops up and out. Put that up there. This needs to come out. Check. And we have to remove this guy, and there's a hidden screw past all the coffee stains, and there's a T20 or T15, one of the two. Pull this guy up. Up and out of your way. Puppy. We'll unclip these two clips back here. Gotta get these. I have them in my description. Now, this guy up. Up. And weasel it out. Now this side came off and I put it back. I don't know why it's here. It just sort of floats jammed in here. This is left hand. This thing, same thing. Up. Weasel it out. Come on, puppy. So, turn. This side did not come out. Right hand. Now, why in the world they would put a screw right here, over there, I don't know. It comes out, you can put it back in, and who the hell knows why it's there. But it seems to work. It goes back, as you saw, because I already took it apart. And now, we have 2 screws, 1 and 2. But we gotta get this guy out. This puppy is no tools required over here. But let's go to the other side and I'll show you. Behind door number 1, which is this guy, down here, pull, and there's your fuse panel, T20. With your handy dandy hook, go right in between the crack and get door number 2. And that puppy is right here. See? Pop right out of the way. Alright. Now, pull. And pull. Now, over here, of course, is a Phillips. Not a Torx like this, but a Phillips. Why? Who knows, dude? I don't even know. Let's get these 2 screws out and I'll show you how this thing comes off. And with handy dandy pry tool, you can pull it out. And this whole panel is all connected. See? You see? There you go. So we can pull this guy up, out, and then unplug everything. Do you need to? We'll see. Screw, screw, screw. Okay, you don't have to remove them, but I did anyway. But you don't have to. Pull. The rest of it just pull. There you go. It sort of overlaps as usual, and this screw doesn't even have to come out, does it? Nope. Looks like it doesn't. But there you go. So definitely this one and these 2 over here, and the rest of just clips. Clip, 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 and a sort of weasel outward towards you. Whoop, 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 whoop. Let's not break it.
What are you doing?
There you go.
What are you changing?
So, like it, don't like it, share it, don't share it, subscribe, don't subscribe. Thanks for watching.